we call her Te Rā. She's he rā, she is a sail, but we call her the sail. It began in 2009 when Maureen Lander asked three of us to go over to the British Museum, and I remember saying to Maureen, "What's Te Rā?" You know, we didn't even know. And she said it's an old Māori sail that is the only one left in the world of its era. She was gifted to the British Museum by the British Admiralty. So we're responding to the challenge of Te Rangi Hiroa. We're taking a quote from him that said, people from New Zealand should go over and closely photograph the Rā and bring that back. And it should be quite easy to make a replica for our people and for our museums here at home. It's almost 100 years since that was said and published, so we're responding to that challenge. She's just such a taonga of mystery, you know, so she holds within her being all these lost skills that nobody does these days. That's another part of really wanting to nurture her and to honour her and give that aroha and connection. I think that's what is really great for me, is that we've got a great team. Certain people are good at certain things, so they come and do that, and someone else is really good at that. But together, collectively, we're really strong. We're not well-known weavers, we're grassroots weavers. We weave in community, we weave in teams, we weave as groups. The other thing that we've been really privileged to do is to own this space. Every morning when we're saying our karakia and doing our waiata, we're linking in with the trees. The sun rises over there, it shines down on us. So we've got Te Rā shining on Te Rā. And that just, like, those things kind of give you all these, you know, they're not by chance. To see all the people here, we can share the story. Our vision is that woven sails will be once again on our harbours, because the art of those woven sails have been lost and are not, in our mind, truly honoured. But if we're really going to honour our tūpuna and the whole waka revitalisation, then woven sails for me is part of that renaissance of waka on, you know, Māori waka on our harbours again. That's our vision.